In this video, I'm going to show you how to bind Yubit to Google Authenticator. Let's get into the video. Now, if you don't already have the app installed to your phone, you can get it from the Apple App Store, and you can also get Google Authenticator from the Google Play Store. I would suggest downloading the app to your phone and getting it installed before proceeding. So once you have Google Authenticator installed on your phone, the next step is to come up here, top right hand side of the screen, to your profile icon. Give that a click. Then we're going to click right here on Account and Security. Then on this page here, you'll see that you have your SMS authentication right here. So if you'd like to proceed with that, you just come over here on the right hand side and you'd click on Setup. But you'll see that there's advanced protection down below here, such as Google Authenticator. So I'm going to come over here on the right hand side and click on Setup. Then I'll quickly do the verification thing. And then you'll be sent a verification code to the email that you used when creating your account. So sign into your email, open that email, and retrieve the 6-digit code and type it into this box right here. Once that's done, you'll get this pop-up window here. You'll be able to see a QR code that you can scan with your Google Authenticator app, but you're also going to see a code down below that. Mine are both behind a black box. Make sure to write that code down, the one that you see below your QR code. If anything ever happens to your phone or your Authenticator app, you can use that code to retrieve your account. So make sure to store that code safely. Don't let anybody get their hands on it. So what we would do from here is we'd open the Google Authenticator app on our phone. Bottom right hand side, you'll see a plus sign. Tap on that. Then you'll see two options: scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Scanning the QR code is by far the easiest, so we're just going to go ahead and tap on scan a QR code. Then simply hold your phone up to the screen and scan your QR code. So what we're going to do from here is type in the code for Yubit inside your Google Authenticator app into this box right here. Then once you've done that, click on confirm. Now as you can see, I just bound Yubit to my Google Authenticator account. Over here on the right hand side, you can see this is now bound. If at any point in the future you want to unbind it, you just click here on unbind. And there you have it. That's how you can bind Yubit to Google Authenticator. If you got some value out of that, don't forget to leave me a like and hit subscribe for future content. Also feel free to check out my other Yubit tutorials, which I've put together in a playlist on my YouTube channel. Have yourself a powerful day.